Why even bother posting a video and no one watches? That's a good question. I'm working on cleaning everything up. Cleaning up. Literally cleaning up likes with likes, getting rid of garbage like this shit and other stuff like the stupid band and broken freaking thing from that lady who moved out of here. Oh, that wasn't so broken. That one was good. The ash box. We need more 3 things. We got them. Yeah, 18. What's the rating on it? 1875. I don't know. There's something on here. Let's say. I don't know. Being in Vietnam. Vietnam's cool. Better than China. But yeah, we are cleaning everything up, working on it. Likes what likes, getting rid of useless junk and nonsense. We gotta fix our trucks too. We said that for a while. It's like 95 degrees out again after the storm, which makes the storm shit harder. I'm rescreening garbage. Getting better at rescreening. Yeah, likes what likes what likes. Time to get out of here. Time to clean up all the shit. Really serious. And we'll get there once we start. No more hoarding shit. None of it. I want open spaces. I want likes with likes. I want stuff used, and you know, we'll get it. We'll get it. We'll get it. We'll get it. It's a matter of time. Things get better by the day. Empty, 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 empty. Outside, I want that all cleaned out there. We're gonna get all my shit out of there. If anyone else wants to hoard stuff, that's fine. But my personal stuff, that's outside. If I can't use it or find a place for it, it's gone. And a lot of it is going away, or has been in the last 10 months or so, which is very, very good. Yeah. So, if you're not dealing with it, not doing anything with it, it's time for it to go, because it could get flooded, it could get, roof can get blown off, and everything else, which happened to thousands and thousands of people, and so many of them don't even have flood insurance. So, it could have happened here. Could have had water up to here. So, but didn't. Makes you think, and it's time to move on. When you have time, don't waste your time on social media and YouTube and all this other bully BS and buy useless shit. No, clean up your own life. Worry about your own life. Worry about what you're doing, not what everyone else is doing. Not this person has $3 million, and that person has $13 million, and this person is president, this person's not president, and this person's the governor, and this person's not governor. Speaking of governor, Little Ron, vote for Little Ron in Florida if you live in Florida, because they are doing a fantastic job with the recovery of this unprecedented storm that was probably sent here or beamed here, whatever the hell. But seriously, I've seen it. I have videos I have to post of this, the help that's flying over. Helicopters, the things with crates, everything. Chinooks with crates. You saw my other video, the CS-130, literally like hours, not even hours, literally minutes after the sun rose, that thing was flying around, drones were flying around. Yeah, CS-130 was going to the beach doing this aerial recovery, just really, really flying low. And then Coast Guard helicopters are flying out. And then Chinooks are flying out, and all this crazy shit. So fast. So fast. What a good job. If we didn't have Little Ron as our governor, saving so much money for the state and having these funds available, and it's really, really pre-planning, we're really screwed. So thank Little Ron for that. He definitely was a better governor than Rick Scott. I don't even know why Rick Scott's in that position that they are in. Hopefully one day they won't be, and someone else can take their seat, because they suck. Something's trying to break into the door. But yeah, still people are without power, and it's like, I don't know, 13th or something. I think it's like a 12th or 13th, I don't know, October. Some people still don't have power. They're setting up like cleaning stations and little cooling stations and shit. You could do your laundry and cool down for those people and take a shower. That's awesome. All this stuff's available for people. Nice to see that the government's actually doing something, you know, helping you out, or at least the state is. I don't think our government, like our leader, gives a shit about the place. That's besides the point. But yeah, clean up yourself, clean up your life, clean up your stuff, and it'll work out. You just gotta keep on doing stuff. Stay off all the nonsense. Do what you can when you can. It's hot outside, you do a little bit, you do a little this, you take a little break, whatever. You'll get it done. In a week you'll see a couple things done, except, you know, instead of 0 done, like some people.